Hello, good morning. Good morning. What's up? How you doing? Hope you're cool. Today is what? Today is Tuesday. Yeah. Today is Tuesday. This is 10:24. That's 24 minutes past 10 a.m. And today is 6th of October, right? So, how is business doing? How are you finding business online? How is your business doing online? I know a lot of people still do not believe that it's possible to just be getting customers online without stress, without having a physical shop. Okay, but it is 100% possible. Okay, online it's even more easier to sell online than to sell physically, because how many people can you access physically? Come think about it. Even if you have a physical shop, how many people will leave their workplace and go to the market or go to wherever your shop is to buy from you, if they can buy the same thing online and they are sure that you're legit and your price is reasonable? So people buy online for convenience. You just need to show them that you're legit and you have the best price and your product is worth it, is worth the price. Somebody just joined. Can you leave a comment so I will mention your name? And leave a comment and tell me what you do. I'll mention your name and give you free adverts. So whomever that is listening to this voice recording, we also get to know about your business. So let me do that for anybody who is joining me live henceforth. So go ahead and mention your name and tell me what you do. Okay? Yeah. So what I'm trying to say is this: it's easier to sell online. Like, it's so much easier to sell online than physically. Okay, so if you have been finding it hard to sell, I need you to try something else. Okay, I need to try something new. But before then, I needed to listen to this song and just to ginger you up a bit. So I'll be right back. Wanna make love on the moon, dancing to my tunes. Easy too much, it's not too much. I wanna be on forces, if wishes were horses. Easy too much, it's not too much. We're a future billionaire. That's why I need to remind you with this song. So we are back. I hope you enjoyed that break. I needed to remind you that you are a billionaire. You are a future billionaire, and this online will make you a billionaire. So you need to stick your ground and do the things that others are doing. Do you understand? The genuine things others are doing. So I want to give you a secret that you can try. Babe, trust me. If you try this and it doesn't work, anytime I'm talking, don't listen to me anymore. Okay, because I'm so sure it's working. That is why I need you to try it. It's a strategy that you need to try. Now you have a your regular Facebook profile, right? Most of you usually put your pictures on your Facebook profile, but do you know that your Facebook profile is another platform? Is like a show glass. It's another way of advertising your business. I don't mean your profile picture, I mean your cover photo. So you can easily come up with a promo and design a soft flyer for it. So for instance, you sell wares, you sell women clothing. All right, you can say, okay, you want to give out this clothing for the price is usually 5,000. You cancel it, you strike it, and then you put 2,500. Or you even say you are giving it out for at a giveaway price. Anything you have that you're giving it out at a giveaway price. But before they can be able to buy it, there's a procedure. They will need to fill a form. Do you understand? So you can use Google Form. If you don't have a landing page, you can use Google Form to create for them to create the questions that you ask them. So that questions, you're going to be asking them what their name is, email address, what their size is, as in the size of their body, and then what their, as in how often do they shop. Just ask them some questions that will help you understand if they are your target audience, and of course their email address and phone number. So with that information, trust me, you are going to use it to follow up, and many of them will convert over time. So when they fill all this form, you reach out to them and tell them that these clothes are available in different colors. They should view your WhatsApp status and choose the one that they like. That one person is going to win this, or 5 persons are going to win this. What are you trying to achieve? You want them to view your WhatsApp status, so they have to save your contact on their phone so that they can be able to do what? View your WhatsApp status to win the cloth. Anybody who is really your target audience, as in who likes that cloth and would love to have it, they are most likely going to even pay you to eventually buy some other things that you sell. Do you understand? So it's just a strategy. Create a soft flyer. Let it run for a period of time, maybe 3 weeks. Do you understand? Just beautiful dresses that anybody will easily fall for. You can do it for free. You can give it out for free. You just want to, in exchange, you want to get contacts and information of your target audience, your ideal customer avatar. Do you understand? People who fall into the category of people that you want, that can easily buy from you without you stressing yourself. Because you know why we find it stressful to sell? When you're speaking to the wrong people. No matter how good or fantastic your offer is, they will not buy. You will just be stressing yourself. So why don't you focus on generating what? Leads. Leads are people that are likely going to buy. They are already interested in what you sell. That is why they will take the action that you want them to take. Do you understand? So I don't intend for this to be long. We're going to stop very soon, just 10 minutes and we are over, because I need it to be short so that I don't take much of your time, and as well you don't take much of my own time. Somebody else joined again live. Can you leave a comment? I will see your name. Leave a comment and tell me what you do. So I will mention your name and what you do, and that's free advert for you as well. Okay? So try and do that, okay? So as I was saying, if you can create this soft flyer, put it on your Facebook cover photo. Do you understand? Then put the flyer to keep sharing the flyer in your story. Let the dresses you're staking, if you're a boutique or you sell clothing or you sell thrifted clothing, something like that, whatever you're selling, the idea is just to generate leads. Do you understand? So you can even ask friends to help you to post this flyer in their stories, post it on their WhatsApp status, that you're giving out these dresses for maybe half the price or for free. Do you understand? So, but for them to get it, they have to fill a form. So while they are filling that form, you're asking them questions that will help you understand if they are your target audience. So that if they are, by the time anybody who takes the stress of filling out their name, email address, WhatsApp number, then ask them questions like their size, to know their body size, so that if the dress is not going to size them, you don't bother sending the dress to the wrong size. Do you understand? So you ask them for the size. Ask them questions like, do they shop often? Have they bought online before? Or what kind of dresses do they like? That will give you a sense of understanding, to know if they fall into the category of your target audience. Do you understand? So if they fall into that category, what step do? You reach out to them after you've gotten their details. You reach out to them. Do you understand? Reach out to them and tell them that, okay, you've gotten their responses to this, and for them to pick the dress they like, they should view your WhatsApp status and screenshot the particular dress they like. Do you understand? Do it on a particular day. Inform them that so day you are going to be posting pictures of the dresses you are giving out for free on your WhatsApp status. So anyone that they like that day, they should view your WhatsApp status, screenshot it and send it to you. That you are going to pick winners at random. And trust me, you will have all of them, almost all of them that receive that message viewing your WhatsApp status. That's just it. And that's free advert for you, because what it means is that as long as they were able to view your WhatsApp status one time, they can always view your WhatsApp status. So when you keep advertising pictures of your product, over time they will start asking you that they want to buy. That's how people make a lot of sales online without stress. So I hope you found this useful, and if you did, please don't forget to leave a comment to let me know, because that's what will encourage me to do this again next time. All right. And if you have challenges creating a form, or you need me to guide you to do that, also leave a comment. All right, I'll reach out to you from there. So I'll see you guys again next time, same place. Till then, bye for now. Do have a fantastic day.